welcome to ClassLaga. Friends, today's video is a video on demand. We are getting lots of comments and mails asking us to make video on NET JRF exam conducted by CBSE. So we decided of making a comprehensive series for NET JRF in which you will get complete information related to this exam. For this video series, we have joined hands with ASS Science Foundation, a premier coaching institute in India. It provides quality education for NET JRF, UPSC, state PCS and also for MSc and PhD entrances. You can check details in the description below. This is the first video of series and today I'm gonna tell you the basics about UGC NET, about its recent changes in exam pattern and much more. In the upcoming videos, I will talk about some very useful tips and tricks on how to prepare for UGC NET. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. National Eligibility Test, often we call it as NET. The main intention of conducting NET program is to find out the eligibility for lectureship at college and university level and also for award of JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship for the Indian nationals. The exam is conducted to ensure minimum standards for starters in research and teaching levels. CBSE conducts NET exam on behalf of UGC. Now let's talk about the major changes that UGC did this year. First, change in the number of papers. Second, reduction of time duration and change in the paper pattern. Third, increment of age relaxation. Now, I see that all these changes are positive and were desired for long. Earlier, there used to be 3 papers. Paper 1 of general nature, which was common for all, and paper 2 and 3 used to be the subject papers. But now, there will be only 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is still that general paper, whereas paper 2 and 3 are merged. Many people were asking me if the exam will be hard now. Friends, you need not fear of these changes because there are no news of changes in the syllabus. So, just focus on your syllabus and your studies. Study as much as you can with a definite strategy. The time duration for paper 1 is reduced from 1 hour 15 minutes to just 1 hour. And that is okay because the test is meant to test your speed and accuracy over others. When you are facing a national level competition, at least this much is expected from you. There will be 50 questions and all are compulsory. Paper 2 will be of 2 hours and 100 questions are to be done. I think the level of paper 2 will be moderate because nothing is going to come out of syllabus. And you know what? The best part of this exam is that there is no negative marking. What else do you want? Plus, unlike before, you don't have to sit there for the whole day, which used to be very tiring. So I think that's cool. Many people were happy and felt relieved after hearing that the age limit for JRF has been increased to 30 years from 28. This means that the number of attempts go up. So this is a good news, right? Guys, I personally feel that things have turned to be easier now. Try to clear your exam in the very first attempt because according to the facts, when we are a fresher and are in touch with studies, we put in all our might and chances of success are comparatively more. But do not get disheartened under any situation and give your 100%. On this, I remember one of my favorite quotes. Life's battle don't always go to the stronger or faster man. But sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. So this is all for this video. Don't miss my next video because in that I will tell you some very important tips and tricks for NET preparation. For more such videos, you already know what to do. Subscribe to ClassLaga and don't forget to like and share the video. Study well and stay ahead. Bye-bye.